Good Wednesday, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern, we're going to park it at level 1 today just because of the wet roads and just be mindful of those and take your time and be careful. Not looking for any severe weather today like we did yesterday. Yesterday's threat was low, but it certainly wasn't zero. We had some stronger storms up around Livingston and Jamestown, but we don't have that worry today. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our very wet 5-day forecast, and man, this drought is going to take a hit over the next several days, and that is a wonderful thing. Showers likely today, and 90% chance I've got it. Highs in the low 70s, 90% chance again on Thursday. Now, the first half of the day on Thursday is probably going to be okay. It's as we go later on into the day, especially by the time we get towards sunset. I think we're going to be seeing a lot of rain overspread the area coming up from the south. So if you live up around Jamestown, it may be after dark before your rain moves in tomorrow. I'll fine tune that forecast as we get closer to time, and I'll probably issue a special update tonight just to update you on the weather coming over the next several days with the remnants of what will be Hurricane Helene. So could be pretty impactful to our area, especially with rainfall and always those gusty winds. So go ahead and prepare for those now. Wind gusts over 30 miles per hour are possible, especially by Friday. Heavy rain and windy, several inches of rain possible if the system tracks just right. Right now, it looks like it's going to come right over the top of us, so that would definitely give us some rain potential. Saturday and Sunday, just keep checking back for updates. I know a lot of you all have outdoor plans this weekend. Right now, we're saying 50-50 shots for showers and then showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. It really depends on Helene. Does Helene move on out of here and get away from us, or does she want to hang around? You know how some of these systems like to hang around Tennessee. We're not the only ones that like Tennessee. So we'll see. But right now, we're going to go 50-50 shots on Saturday and Sunday. But check back for updates because that part of the forecast could certainly change. Premier generators brings us our threat graphic, and straight line winds and flooding look to be the main concerns for Thursday night into Friday. I did drop the tornado threat. I don't think the system is going to track in a favorable position to give us spin ups, but stay tuned because the track could change. But boy, we're going to have gusty winds over 30 miles an hour anyway, so that could certainly be a real issue. But flooding, especially if we get several inches of rain. The good news is, though, we have been in a drought, although that's not the good news, but the good news is when coming in with heavy rain coming in, there's a lot of dry ground to try to drink that water up, and our stream beds are super low. So there's room for water, but we don't want to get too much too quick. On this day, 1977, an F-0 tornado cuts a 5-mile path across Cumberland County near Homestead and Dorton. No injuries are reported, thank goodness. 1948, the Great Gale of 1848 was the most severe hurricane to affect Tampa Bay, Florida. And it's one of 2 major hurricanes to make landfall in that area. This storm produced the highest storm tide ever experienced in Tampa Bay when the water rose 15 feet in 6 to 8 hours. 1998, 4 hurricanes were spinning simultaneously in the Atlantic Basin: George, Ivan, Jean, and Carl. That was the first time this had happened since 1893. Meteorologist Mark's Meteorology of the Week, mammatus clouds. So this is cloud week continuing. So mammatus clouds, those pouches of clouds that hang underneath the clouds, and you can read how they happen there, basically from sinking air in the anvil usually. And they'll form those pouches, and they can make for some beautiful displays, especially near sunset. And it's something to definitely check out. But some pretty cool clouds there, that is for sure. You folks have a wonderful Wednesday and keep looking up. For more weather information and to keep up with all this crazy plateau weather, meteorologistmark.com.